When it comes to doors for your steel building, you have two main options: roll-up doors and track doors, sometimes called panel doors. Roll-up doors have horizontal ribs that roll into a drum at the top of the opening. These doors are typically not insulated, and there will be a small gap near the top of the door when it's closed. This is perfectly normal and to be expected with most metal buildings. And for most customers, this is not an issue at all, especially for non-climate controlled buildings like workshops, garages, and agricultural structures. If you're looking for a more cost-effective option, then the roll-up door is a great choice. These smaller doors, up to 10 by 10, are usually spring-loaded, so they're easy to lift. Larger sizes like 14 by 14 are chain-driven and will require a little more effort to lift. Track doors, also known as panel doors or house-style garage doors, offer a different set of benefits. These doors close tightly with rubber gaskets around the edges, making them a stronger option for insulated and climate-controlled buildings. They're available in uninsulated, vinyl back insulated, and steel back insulated options. And you can choose from different panel designs, colors, and even add windows. Track doors can be operated manually or upgraded with an electric opener, remote access, or keypad entry. It's important to note that we do not sell or install these garage doors, but we can customize your garage door frame out and put you in touch with a third party that specializes in panel garage doors. At Heritage Steel, we're here to help guide you through every step of your building project so you can make the choice that's best for you.